Oh, this woman. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a reaction video. I know it's been long overdue, so I'm back with a reaction video. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I do reaction videos. I do anything relating to my lifestyle, but mostly right now, mostly on reaction videos. So today we're gonna be doing a reaction video to Amber Heard and Johnny Depp case. Is a case. It's been a case for a while now, and to me, I think the guy just deserves justice because all this is just ridiculous. So we're gonna watch Amber Heard cross-examination. Yeah. So yeah, and hope you guys have been well because I know I've been. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video if you like. If you are interested in what other content or reaction video or anything, comment down below and I will do that for you. So I don't condone violence in any way, but the only reason why I just don't like when people have to make a big deal or lie about it, because so far from what it seems, for 6 years, this guy lost his career and everything. You are allegedly saying that he hit you. It was violence on you. And then, so from what I'm hearing, it's just, I'm not going to judge until I hear everything.
They extended it and held me.
Okay.
And you testified yesterday that L'Oreal extended your contract again in November of 2021, correct?
Not exactly. They extended it because they couldn't use me or any of the materials for me.
And that extension was for 20 months, right?
That's correct.
This is for March 26, 2021, right?
That's what it looks like, yes.
And this is after he made the statements you claim were defamatory, right, Ms. Heard?
21, yes.
Ms. Heard, you tweeted at Adam Waldman, quote, "Yes, Mr. Waldman, I may be wearing makeup on this occasion, but on every occasion you will still be short." Did I read that right?
Oh.
Yes.
Wow. What was that for? Because I'm wondering, who does she keep looking at? Is she supposed to look at the audience or the cross-examination? Because she keeps looking left, right, and center. And she was released of Aquaman too. Well, it must be something you're...
We can put this down. Thank you. Ms. Heard, since your relationship with Mr. Depp ended, you have completed your level 3 sommelier training, haven't you?
I haven't completed it yet.
You're on level 2?
No, I'm on level 3.
I wonder.
You also have had a baby, right?
I have.
What?
You enjoy being a mother?
More than anything.
What? She's a
Still
mother.
love to cook?
I do.
And you
have to be careful. Those questions, they're tricky. They'll sound all nice, but next thing they'll hit. Oh, shut a kid.
love to hike?
I've taken a break on hiking for a minute.
You have friends, right?
I do have friends.
And you spend time with those friends?
Mm-hmm. Where are you going?
Occasionally, when I can.
And you exercise regularly?
Every day.
You just filmed a movie in March of 2022, isn't that right?
Yes, the one I just shot in Guatemala that I spoke of earlier.
And you have, you had a major role in a major film that's scheduled to be released soon.
Where is she going with this?
Aquaman 2?
As I said, I don't know if I will even be in the final cut or how much I will be. It was difficult to stay in the movie.
But the question is, you are in Aquaman 2, either way. So you're in it or you're not. You're still in it. You're not sure how much car or whatever. That doesn't matter. You're in it. Get to the point. She keeps trying to show, how something affected her. No, you're not.
Can we please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 356?
I can't promise you that I'll be perfect. I can't promise you I won't get physical again. God, I just get so mad I lose it.
Ms. Heard, that's you and Mr. Depp on that recording, correct?
That's correct.
And you told Mr. Depp, quote, "I can't promise you that I won't get physical."
That's what I heard as well.
Correct?
That's correct.
That's the exact same that I thought I heard, but I didn't want to judge. So, were you getting physical as well?
He was accusing me of instigating something in a situation I explained yesterday.
And you also told Mr. Depp that sometimes you get so mad you lose it, correct?
Exactly.
That's correct. I also explained the context of that fight yesterday.
Isn't that exactly what...
Isn't that exact same thing you're accusing him of? I don't understand me. Oh, it's stuff like Miss Girl, you explained it, but I ended you said it. For you to say that means you lose your temper. You lose it. That means you could get physical. So
You told Ben King on your way back from Australia that you get so mad you lose it?
Absolutely not. I know that that's what Ben King testified to, but I never had that conversation with Ben King.
I remember hitting you as a response to the door thing.
in this part, she looks so disrespectful. Number one, you're chewing gum, you're testifying, you're there doing a smirk. That already tells me, like, okay, that you don't give two potatoes about what's going on. You're just trying to mess somebody up. From how it looks.
I meant to hit you, and I did not do this thing with the door. I do remember I did mean to hit you. It was about you and me. The door? No, God, no, I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry.
You're smiling as that audio is recording.
Thank you. It's the attitude. The attitude for me is what puts me off. Like, you're smiling, you're rolling your eyes, your body language says that you don't give a two about what's going on. You're just trying like, because you know women have more rights in some way when it comes to domestic violence, that men are more in trouble. I hate women like that use something that is meant to protect you against someone that will actually need it, to use it for your own personal gain, because that is what it looks like.
Is being played in your deposition, aren't you, Miss Heard?
Not smiling because of the audio. I'm smiling because of what's happening around me.
You even roll your eyes at one point, don't
Right.
you?
I was sitting opposite a whole table full of lawyers who were snickering, laughing, and rolling their eyes at me while I was talking.
Is there something amusing about kicking a door into your husband's head?
No, I was rolling my eyes and commenting on what I was experiencing at that time in recounting the
Is
story.
there something amusing to you about punching your
Exactly.
husband in the jaw?
That is not what I was smiling about, and no, I do not think it's amusing.
Ms. Heard, you testified yesterday that when you left the courthouse after obtaining the domestic violence restraining order against Mr. Depp, you walked out to, quote, a sea of paparazzi and cameras, right?
That's correct.
You testified that you were surprised to see the sea of cameras
That's correct.
because it was quiet when you went into the courthouse that morning.
And the divorce had remained under the radar up to that point.
You testified
Time.
you knew they were going to be there, didn't you?
Exactly.
No, I did not. I mean, I
Publicist-
assume since it's a public building that there's that likelihood, or not likelihood, but possibility. But I was shocked.
If we could please play and display to the jury Plaintiff's Exhibit
I like how-
1280.
Is it me, or I like how he is just so on his own with his whole hair tied up in a bun, his glasses, like. I love her. I think her name is Camille, or whatever it's called. What's her name again? Johnny's Depp prosecutor, or whatever she's called. She's good. She knows where to get her good answers.
For 2016,
She looks skinny.
telling Jerry Judge, quote, I'm desperately trying to reach Johnny. It's extremely important. Please tell him.
I remember sending the text message that is in front of me right now to Jerry, and I remember sending this because I wanted to tell Johnny, or have him told by Jerry or someone who knew him or was close to him. Basically, I didn't want him to find out online that I had or was about to file, or I had already filed for divorce. I wanted him to know verbally. So I was trying to reach him through a third party to tell him. When I say reach, I mean...
Bullshit. I'm sorry. Third party, you didn't want it to get to the press. Third party, you knew you're Johnny Depp. No one knows her. I don't even really know her. You know Johnny Depp is a famous celebrity. And then you thought about, oh, you're going to get divorced. Obviously, the person's going to go for the press. That's what you wanted. That was your game about, oh, you didn't want it. Oh, paparazzi came. Oh, you knew it was going to happen eventually. Oh, please. It was more publicity stunt for her. And more to ruin him?
Specifically saying I would like him to know information coming from me or coming from Jerry, from me.
But why does he have to know information? He has not aimed the case. What is his problem and who is it to? Oh.
So that he finds out about the divorce filing.
She's speaking of what's very
my
carefully.
intention to do so.
Trying to stop.
From some other source other than TMZ, which was alerted.
You slipped up there, didn't you, Miss Heard? You let it slip out that TMZ had been alerted.
Yep.
My intention to do so. From some other source other than TMZ, which was alerted.
Other source than TMZ. She knew she messed up. She cleaned her face. She knew she messed. You slipped up.
You slipped up there, didn't you, Miss Heard?
Yeah.
You let it slip out that TMZ had been alerted to your filing of the domestic violence restraining order, didn't you?
I disagree. That's not what I'm talking about.
TMZ is the same outlet that you released the video of Mr. Depp attacking the kitchen cabinets the day before this deposition was taken, wasn't it?
I didn't do that. I don't
TMZ
know how
owns
to do
the
that.
copyright to that video now, doesn't it?
I have no idea.
Of course
Did
you
they pay you
don't.
for that?
You don't.
I never got paid for it because I had nothing to do with that.
So TMZ was just lucky in getting the inside scoop to your divorce from Mr. Depp, huh?
I have no idea. That's not my area of expertise. I wouldn't even know how to do that.
Oh, please.
And also, what does that get me? If I wanted to leak things about Johnny, I could have done that in a much more successful way, in a bigger way, for years.
Now,
and
when you
years.
were extorting him for $7 million.
I got a fraction of what I was entitled to in the state of California, by the way. What
Fraction.
extortion?
7 million.
Tasa Van Reeves, your ex-wife, right?
That's right. She's my ex-partner.
She's the one that you told this jury, Miss.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Tasa Van Reeves, your ex-wife, right?
That's right. She's my ex-partner.
Oh, she went that way. I didn't know. Oh, okay. I'm finding a lot of new stuff about her that I didn't know anyways. I have to Google her.
She's the one that you told this jury Mr. Depp was jealous of, right?
Yeah, well, that was 2013 fights around March, yes.
You testified that he tried to burn one of her paintings, right?
That's correct.
You testified he tried to burn one of your favorite paintings that she did, right?
I don't know if it was one of my favorites.
Seriously, woman. It's messy. She's not saying the truth in some parts because something's definitely going on.
Miss Van Reed during your relationship, didn't you?
No, I did not.
You assaulted her at a Seattle airport in 2009, didn't you?
No, I did not.
Another case. So far, another case of her being the actually predator and not the victim.
And people saw that.
That's not true.
And it was covered in the press.
Oh.
Isn't that true?
It was planted in the press by Johnny's team 2 days after I got the TRO.
Okay.
In here today, you have not donated the $7 million donated, not pledged, donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity.
I use pledge and donation synonymous with one another.
But I don't. Miss Heard, I don't use it synonymously.
That's how donations are paid.
Miss Heard, respectfully, that's not my question.
Exactly.
As of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the ACLU.
Oh.
Yes or no?
I have not yet.
And as of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, correct?
I have not yet. Johnny
You have
sued
not
me.
yet.
So as of today, you have not donated, paid $7 million of your divorce settlement to charity, right?
I have not been able to fulfill those
So what have you done then?
yet.
And that's because you did want something, didn't you?
I didn't want anything and I didn't get anything.
You wanted Mr. Depp's money.
Exactly.
Didn't get it, wasn't interested in it. I loved Johnny, that's why I was with him.
You wanted praise for donating the money, right?
That's incorrect.
You wanted good press.
Exactly.
In general, one does want good press, yes.
You wanted to seem altruistic publicly.
Exactly. Like
It wasn't my interest. My interest is in my name and clearing my name and At the time, I was being called a liar and my motives were being questioned. I did see it as important to...
It's been 2016 since you got divorced. You said you're going to donate something. You have not yet, and it's 6 years ago. Is it 6? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yep, 6 years ago. You have not yet.
Clear that up. I wanted to make a statement to make sure that there was not any doubt that I couldn't be labeled these things just because Johnny was a bigger star and had more publicity reach.
Because that it was
You
the
wanted to
only
remind
star.
everyone of your claims of domestic violence against Mr. Depp, right?
No, I wanted to move on with my life.
You wanted to make those claims seem believable.
Yes.
They are believable. They
You
were
wanted
believable.
them to be seen, you wanted to be seen, as a noble victim of domestic violence.
Yeah.
You never wanted to be seen as a victim. Nor have I ever called myself one.
She's got...
You testified under oath that, quote, the entirety of your divorce settlement was donated to charity, end quote, didn't you?
That's correct. I pledged the entirety.
You pledged.
No.
You said.
Misheard. My questions.
Let me
Settlement was donated to
Nor
Was
have I ever
donated.
called myself one.
She said the entire of my thing was donated, not pledged. Now, 6 years later, it was pledged. It was pledged. If you're not gonna do it, no one asked you to do it. Why the hell are you making it up now? And then now all of a sudden,
You testified under oath that, quote, the entirety of your divorce settlement was donated to charity, end quote, didn't you?
That's correct. I pledged the entirety.
No. Misheard. My questions. Your counsel will have time to redirect you.
I love
After.
her.
You testified under oath, quote, the entirety
Quote.
of your divorce settlement was donated to charity, end quote.
That is correct. I pledged the entirety.
I'm gonna
Oh, this woman, I need to pray for her. You quote, I donated my money was donated to charity. Now I pledged. Even she is getting pissed off because you quote that. That means you've done it or you've done it. You said was. It wasn't I'm going to. You said was donated. So now why is your English different? If you don't know English, then please don't write and stuff because it stays forever on the internet. I don't know how lawyers do it. I think I'll have gone on stage and slapped her. Because, what the hell? It's just ridiculous.
To charity.
the statement.
When you say you buy a house, you don't pay for the entire house.
But for a house, you pay an upfront, and then you're required to make a payment every month. So why are you referring house to donation? Donation is you willingly to give, but the fact that you stated and quoted that you have done it, it means you have done it. Not now, 6 years later, you pledged to do it. So don't try and use a house. Oh, you don't pay everything. You pay an amount upfront first. I don't know how it works in America, but I'm sure you pay something before they give you a house. It doesn't work like that. Okay. Well, that is it, guys. If you want me to do another reaction video to the case, let me know. Comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Is she telling the truth about the pledge to donate, or maybe she needs to go back to school and study, because that was not English. So hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, and hope you come back next time. And have a great day, and hope you like it. Hope you like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video.